Now let's introduce the rectangular coordinate system. This plane is also known as the Cartesian plane, and the name of this plane is named after this very famous person called René Descartes. He is a French mathematician, and he is also a philosopher. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Usually at the center, we have the letter O, stand for origin. And at each point, we have two numbers to represent the position of a particular point. Let's say this is point A. And we can locate point A by using two numbers, namely the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate. Usually, we write the coordinates in a pair of numbers. The first number is the x-coordinate. That means we start from the origin and then move to the right-hand side or move in the horizontal direction to the position of point A. So you can see that point A has an x-coordinate of 2. So we write down 2. And then we move upwards by 4 units to reach point A. So this is the y-coordinate, where we represent this by the number 4. So here, this is 2, 4. Now, let's look at another point. Let's say point B here. So again, we have two numbers to represent the position of point B. Again, we start from the origin O, and then we move to the left-hand side first. Move in the horizontal direction first. So we can see that this is 6 units. But this time, we move to the left-hand side. So we have -6. And you can also check out -6 from this position of point B. We move upwards to reach point B. So we have 5 units here. So the coordinates of point B will be -6, 5. Let's say point C right here. Point C is on the x-axis. Let's do the same thing. First of all, we start from the origin O and then move to the right-hand side to reach this position of point C. Therefore, we have the x-coordinate is 10. But this time, we don't need to move upwards. The y-coordinate will be 0. Finally, let's go to point D. Again, we have two numbers. First of all, we start from the horizontal direction, but we can see that point D is on the y-axis. We don't need to move in the horizontal direction. Therefore, we'll give it a 0. And then we move downwards to reach point D. So this number will be -7.